Every single week, someone calls our office and says, I invested in a crypto platform that looked legit. I made small profits, so I put in more, and then my account froze. That's what's known as a pig butchering scam, and it's one of the fastest growing forms of online fraud. The good news? The IRS recently confirmed that, in some cases, losses from scams like these can be tax deductible. Here's how it works. Someone receives a message or email about an investment opportunity in cryptocurrency. The website looks legit, the person starts small, and they may be even able to withdraw a little bit of profit to build trust. Then they put in more money, sometimes transferring funds from their IRA or investment accounts, and the site suddenly disappears. The balances were fake, the returns were fake, and the money is gone. In a new IRS memo, the agency clarified that if the victim invested for the purpose of making a profit, the loss may qualify for a theft loss deduction under Section 165. The key phrase is transaction entered into for profit. Even though the investment turned out to be fake, the intent was real, and profit-seeking intent is what matters for the deduction. The loss is deductible in the year it's discovered, provided there's no reasonable prospect of recovery. Now, there are a few caveats. You'll still owe penalty on any IRA withdrawals you made to fund the investment, and you may still ultimately owe tax on the withdrawals too, but your IRA gives you a basis for the theft loss deduction. The IRS may also want to see some documentation, police reports, fraud complaints, or communications showing that recovery is not possible. If you lost money in a crypto investment that turned out to be a scam, the story isn't over. You may still be able to recover part of that loss on your taxes, and we can help. At Gordon Law, we work with victims of pig butchering and other financial scams to make sure they recover what they can at tax time. You might not be able to get your money back, but you can still claim some relief when you file. Reach out to our team for a review of your situation, or subscribe for more insider updates on how the IRS is treating digital asset fraud, scams, and enforcement. See you next time.